What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to make some money this week, hit that like button, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button. Tap into a Moomoo link down below in the description to get up to 30 free stocks. And guys, if you haven't already, join the Discord because this is where I'm going to give out the buy alerts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop straight into it, guys. Right now, the SPY is sitting at 559.94. It is down almost 1% overnight. Okay, it's half from that. So that is $2.79. So what does that mean for this week? Well, if you guys have saw, okay, if you guys have been seeing the price action in the market, you could see that the SPY has been topped out at 564. Okay, and with that, we got the bottom being around 550. So I want you guys to watch this range around the 564 level and 550 until we can break the 564 level. This is where we are going to be trading at. Let me know if that makes sense down below. Okay, you're gonna see this high. This is what we call resistance at 564. Okay, and 550 right here, this is what we call support. So if this drops down to 550, okay, if this holds and maintains the support, okay, I'm gonna be looking to get into calls right here. But that doesn't mean you guys can't play puts as well. I want you guys this week especially, okay, as we have formed our range in the past week. I know this month has been a lot of down, okay? I need you guys to be playing both sides, whether it's calls towards the upside or if it's puts towards the downsides, okay? I need you guys playing both ways. It should not matter where the stock is moving, okay? I need you guys to make informed decisions, trade based off your own plan, not emotions, especially in this market when you're getting tariff news left and right. Okay, this market is heavily bought up our news or slam back down with the news. Okay, you've seen this all month. Okay, but this is going to depend whether they have news on tariffs yet again this month or they ran out of news. Okay, so watch out for that. But guys, I got 5 stocks that you need to pay attention to for tomorrow. So let's hop into it. Okay, first of all, guys, we got ticker symbol HOOD, Hood, Robinhood Markets. This one is down 1.27% overnight. This one has been the bread maker in the last week. Okay, if I see this one going down to the 33s, okay, the low 30s, I'm gonna be looking to buying some of Robinhood stock. Okay, so this one has been retracing back down, as well as all these other stocks, whether it's the AI sector, the quantum sector. A lot of these stocks, you can see they've been down 40% in the past months. So no difference with Hood, guys. I'm going to be looking to buy this one on a dip. And like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you guys the plays I'm watching, okay? Next up, guys, we got Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Now, Palantir and NVIDIA are 2 stocks that have been one of the most, okay, or the most bought up in the past week when everything was dipping, okay? So I need you guys to pay attention to Palantir Technologies, up 14% in the past 3 months. Again, Palantir Technologies is one of the most bought up stocks in the past week dip, okay? Although the past week does not guarantee future performance, I want you guys to watch that statistic very carefully for me, okay? On the month, Palantir is down 30% in the past month. However, if we take a look at the week chart, this is actually up on the week, okay? Palantir is up on the week. What does that say? Okay, I talk about the hammer candle a lot on this channel. That means buyers are stepping in. When everyone's selling, buyers are stepping in. Okay, this is apparent right here because Palantir closed up green on the week. Okay, Palantir Technologies made a low of $70.75. Like we said, guys, when we were doing this commentary, okay, we were talking about the importance of this $10 levels, okay? Back then up, it was specific, whether it be 95.50. Now, as we go back down towards levels we haven't seen since 3 months ago, okay? 3 months ago, we talk about the $10 increment. So I really like Palantir Technologies, okay? I'm gonna be watching this on the support level of $80, okay? You can see there is a bottom, right? A double bottom at $79 to $80. So if I see this go down, I'm gonna be looking to grab some on the dip, okay? Slowly but surely. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA, guys, has been a strong stock. Although we've seen the most come out of this stock, especially with all the news, right? The negative criteria around NVIDIA, this one has always pushed back up from the lows, okay? So you could see in the past month, we're down 14% in the past month. We recently had that DeepSeek dip, it got back up all the way to 139. Earnings came in and then it got slammed back down, right? All the way to 104 just last week. So things and companies are moving very fast in today's market. So it's important that you guys are making sure you are making informed trades, okay? Trade your plan, not off emotions, because the next trade is always going to be there, right? And if you're buying long term, down here, right, when stocks are down 8%, if the SPY is down 8%, right, and all these stocks go down 20, 30, 40%, that's not a bad time to buy for long term, okay? We also talk about long term here. So NVIDIA, not bad at 120. Like I said, guys, with the SPY going down, okay, I'm going to be watching the first 30 to 1 hour, okay? The first 30 minutes to 1 hour, I'm going to be watching very closely. Now, these are the most volatile times of the market. So does that mean I'm going to just hop straight into a trade? No, that means I'm going to wait, plan my trade my plan. That's what I'm going to do, especially in markets like this, where it's all up and down. You get a nice open and then 15 minutes later, it reverses to the downside $4. We do not want that happening. So what I'm going to do is trade the plan my trade, go ahead and trade. Okay. So I want to make sure that is clear with you guys. We have a bit of kangaroo markets going on with all the news on the tariffs and other things going on. So I just want you guys to be prepared. But the video, once again, down 0.64% overnight. So huge watching that. Next up, we got ticker symbol AMD. So if you got NVIDIA running, guys, I want you to also pay attention to AMD. Okay, this one's sitting down 0.06% in the past week. However, this one has been down, okay, 45% in the past year. Okay, so big watch on AMD as well. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Now this one has been going crazy towards the downside, yet this one has survived its drop. Okay, 5% in the past week down. However, it was down 18% at one point. So I need you guys to watch for Tesla. We got some support here at the 235 level, so watch out for that, as well as around 243. So keep those in mind. Okay, 243 and 235. Okay, so that's for Tesla, guys. It is down 2% overnight. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna be waiting 30 minutes to an hour before taking any positions, especially in this market. So I want you guys to watch out. All right, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL, Alphabet Class A. Google stock has been on the downfall recently, as well as other stocks. So especially in this market, I need you guys to watch where the money is flowing. Okay, a lot of times it's been Apple, a lot of times it's been Tesla, a lot of times it's been NVIDIA and Palantir. If you can identify where the money is flowing, that's going to be great on you. Okay, so I want you guys to watch out for that. This one is especially great for long term. Okay, up 15% in the past year. However, it is experiencing a correction right now. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TEM, Tempest AI. You guys know this as the infamous Pelosi stock. Okay, this one has had 3 pops to the upside. We had $71. We had, take a look at this, okay, nearly $80, and then we had $90. So with all these pops, calm the trend back down. Okay, this is very apparent in Tempest AI. Okay, we've recently had support at the $43 level, and look where we are at now. Okay, we're at 47.02. Once again, in the past week, we have dipped down to $42, but you could see this long-term support has been holding up. So I need you guys to watch out for Tempest AI if it crosses back towards that $43 level. Okay, next up, guys, we got Microsoft. Great stock long term, however, once again has been taking a beating in the past 3 months. But if we can see upside, okay, if we can see this maintain this 384 level, once again, we have to talk about levels here, because you could see this whole chop, right? We do not want to get stuck in this chop. If you get stuck on this chop, contracts tend to go ahead and decay. Therefore, the contracts you may be buying may be slowing down. Okay, we don't want that happening right here. We do not want to trade any single chop. So once again, I'm going to be waiting to take any positions when possible. Okay, so that's for Microsoft stock. That's just another one on my watch list. Next up, we got Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META, sitting at 602.31. This one is down 3% in the past week. However, it's made a bottom at 585. So if it goes down to 585, I'm going to be watching for a potential reversal back up to the $600 level. So what's going to happen if you guys do get into a trade and make money, right? When you see profit, you go ahead and take it. Don't leave any money on the table. Sure, you can have these runners, so-called, when you let some stocks run, when you sell a majority of your position, but your job, okay, as traders and when you're long-term investing, is to lock in gains for the short term or the long term, right? Make a plan, trade your plan, take your profit, okay? And I want you guys to also manage your risk by using a stop loss. By having a set of rules, you can ensure that you are managing your risk properly. Now, I preach a stop loss, okay, guys? Make sure you guys are trading with a stop loss, whether it's a physical one or a mental one. Risk management is always going to be key in a market, okay? Any single market, risk management is going to be key. So take that into consideration, okay? And next up, guys, we got ticker symbol CAVA, Kava stock. This one is a Chipotle competitor. They are down 40% in the past month. So I want you guys to take a look at Kava if it maintains the $70 level. Okay, we had some support previously at $78. However, it can drop down, okay, to 74. So once again, these are all the stocks that I'm going to be watching for this week. Now, the list may expand, but once again, I'm going to make these YouTube videos to help you guys out. Okay, they may expand. Coming later in the week, I'm going to be daily uploading. So be excited for that. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we do videos just like this every day. So if you guys want to watch another one like this, click right here to watch another video. Guys, remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post. If you guys want free stocks from Mumu, click the link in the description, okay? Tap in to get up to 30 free stocks, okay? Don't miss. Go ahead, act out right now. And also, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's the first link description. Don't miss that as well. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck, everyone. I believe in each and every one of you.